Example 6. The electric field associated with the light wave is given by E is equal to E naught sine 1.5 into 10 power 7 per meter into x minus ct. Find the stopping potential when this light is used in an experiment on photoelectric effect with the emitter having a work function of 1.9 electron volt. So let us solve this. We need to calculate stopping potential and work function of the metal given, it is 1.9 electron volt. Since the electric field equation is given, which is E naught sine 1.57 into 10 power 7 per meter into x minus ct. So we can rewrite this as E is equal to E naught sine 1.57 into 10 power 7 x minus 1.57 into 10 power 7 ct. So let us compare this equation with the main equation which is associated with the light, the electric field associated with light. So E is equal to E naught sine kx minus omega t. So if we compare both the equations, we will get to know omega is equal to 1.57 into 10 power 7. So we need to calculate stopping potential and work function is given, which is 1.9 electron volt. Since we calculated omega, omega can be written as 2 pi by t or 2 pi into frequency. So from this we can calculate frequency. Frequency is equal to omega by 2 pi. Omega value is 1.57 into 10 power 7 by 2 into 3.14. So 5.17, 1.57 ones are 1.57 twos are. So frequency we got 0.25 into 10 power 7, which is also 2.5 into 10 power 6 hertz. So we calculated frequency. Now we need to calculate stopping potential. We know kinetic energy is equal to energy minus work function. Energy of the light minus work function. Kinetic energy can be written as charge into stopping potential is equal to energy can be written as h nu minus work function. So stopping potential is equal to h nu by E minus work function by E. So what we get? H nu value will give 6.6 into 10 power minus 34 and frequency value we got 2.5 into 10 power 6 by 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 minus work function is 1.9 electron volt by electron. So electron get cancelled. So if we simplify this, 6.6 into 10 power minus 34 into 2.5 into 10 power 6 by 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 will give 3.1 volt minus 1.9 volt. So finally we will get 1.2 volt. So the stopping potential of the stopping potential value will be 1.2 volts.